there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. Guess what just arrived? There it is, the 2018 Ford F-150 Black Ops. This is the second one we've received this year. We sold the other one so fast, so we figured we might as well go ahead and order another one. So just a little quick video of it rolling off the truck. Go ahead and enjoy this. So there it is, folks. If you want any information on this or have any questions, definitely send us an email and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.